Messi receives the ball just inside the penalty area. This is the prime moment to score. However, defenders suddenly swarm him. In a split second, Messi is actually forced to retreat. Cut off from his teammates, he can only take small touches to maintain his distance. But the opposition keeps pressing, step by step, forming a giant net trying to trap him. Suddenly, a teammate points his arm, offering an option in front of Messi. This provides a glimmer of hope, but the defense quickly shifts to shut it down. Who could have predicted that Messi would use the outside of his left foot for a subtle flick? The ball threads through an unimaginable passing lane. Simultaneously, Messi breaks free from the crowd. The moment his teammate returns the pass, his shot is completely uncontested. This is a classic masterpiece of escaping a dead end.